We all dream of a comfortable retirement, but are we doing enough to make that dream a reality? For many, this idyllic vision is increasingly overshadowed by a creeping financial anxiety. Recent studies paint a sobering picture. A significant portion of workers are woefully underprepared for retirement, with many lacking confidence in their ability to retire comfortably. But the biggest threat to our retirement security might be lurking right under our noses: procrastination. It's the siren song that whispers, "There's always tomorrow," lulling us into a false sense of security. Are you letting procrastination steal your retirement dreams? The compound interest conundrum. To truly grasp the cost of delay, we must understand the formidable power of compound interest, the financial world's equivalent of a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow as it goes. Consider the tale of two savers.
Christina, with foresight beyond her years, begins investing a modest $200 monthly at age 25. By retirement at 65, her nest egg has blossomed to an impressive $500,000.
John, believing time is on his side, waits until 45 to start saving. Despite investing a heftier $500 monthly, he reaches only $300,000 by 65.
This stark contrast illuminates a crucial truth. Christina ends up with 66% more than John. In the garden of financial growth, time is the most fertile soil. Christina's early start allowed her investments decades to compound, each year building upon the gains of the last. But the consequences of delaying retirement saving extend far beyond a smaller nest egg.
The hidden dangers of delay. Procrastination in retirement planning isn't merely a matter of lost potential, it's a threat to our future autonomy and well-being.
The consequences can be far-reaching. Reduced financial flexibility. Imagine having to choose between paying for your medications and putting food on the table. A smaller nest egg limits your options in retirement, potentially forcing such heart-wrenching decisions.
Extended working years. Meet Jennifer, who dreamed of retiring at 62 to travel the world. Now 67, she's still working full-time, watching her travel dreams slip away because she started saving too late.
Increased stress. Financial insecurity can cast a long shadow, affecting mental health and relationships. The constant worry about money can strain even the strongest bonds.
Missed opportunities. Whether it's helping your grandchildren through college, pursuing that painting hobby you've always dreamed of, or volunteering full-time for a cause you believe in, inadequate savings can clip the wings of your retirement dreams.
Cultivating your financial future. The good news, it's never too late to plant the seeds of a secure retirement. Here's how to start nurturing your financial garden today. Create a budget. Take a hard look at your spending habits. Where can you trim the weeds of unnecessary expenses and redirect those funds toward retirement savings? Maximize retirement accounts. Are you leaving free money on the table? If your employer offers matching contributions to your 401k, that's like finding extra fertilizer for your financial garden. Use it. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement accounts. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures consistent saving without relying on willpower alone. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is your shovel and trowel. Take advantage of free resources, workshops, and reputable online courses to boost your investing knowledge. Seek professional guidance. Think of a financial advisor as your master gardener, providing personalized strategies tailored to your unique financial landscape. Reassess regularly. Your financial plan should evolve with you. Schedule annual check-ins to review and adjust your strategy as needed. The mindset shift from procrastination to proaction. Overcoming retirement procrastination requires more than just financial tactics. It demands a fundamental shift in mindset. Here's how to reframe your approach. Visualize your future self. Close your eyes and picture yourself at 70. What does your ideal day look like? Research shows that people who feel connected to their future selves make better long-term financial decisions. Celebrate small wins. Did you increase your 401k contribution by 1%? That's worth celebrating. Every step toward your retirement goals, no matter how small, is progress. Embrace imperfection. Don't let the pursuit of the perfect plan paralyze you. Taking imperfect action today is infinitely better than waiting for an ideal tomorrow that may never come. Foster financial conversations. Break the taboo around money talk. Discussing retirement planning with friends and family can provide support, accountability, and new perspectives. Your future self is counting on you. The path to a secure retirement may seem daunting, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. The actions you take today or the actions you postpone will echo through the decades, shaping the contours of your golden years. Procrastination may be the thief of time, but proactive planning is the architect of dreams. By starting now, consistently nurturing your financial garden and embracing the power of compound growth, you're not just saving for retirement, you're investing in freedom, choice, and peace of mind. Your future self is watching, hoping you'll make the choices today that will bloom into a retirement rich with possibility. The question isn't whether you can afford to start planning for retirement, it's whether you can afford not to. Don't let fear or overwhelm stop you. Even small steps taken today can make a big difference in your future. Take that first step today. Plant the seeds of your financial security. Water them with consistency. Nurture them with knowledge. And watch as your retirement dreams grow from a tiny sprout into a mighty oak of financial freedom. Your tomorrow is counting on it. Are you ready to start growing your retirement dreams today?